Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a table or any other part of a design, such as tables, lists, everything in Canva. It's really simple. To create a table, grid, or any columns and rows, all you need to do is press the slash button on your keyboard. Just click the slash button on your keyboard, and you'll see the options, along with new features. You can scroll down. There are many options, all right? So click Show More, and you can set or close it up. Table. That's it. After that, just select Table and choose how many columns and rows you want. For example, I want a 3x2 table. If you just click, boom, you have your new table. If you want to adjust it, you can customize everything like this. If you want to add text to it, just go to Text and Add. You can also customize it, add anything here. And if you want to add another, just select or click slash on your keyboard again, and you can explore what you want. Text, magic words, arrows, stars, hexagons, mockups, or any kind of element. You can find sheets, pie charts. This way, you can easily create anything you want. All right, so using this method, you can add tables, sheets, pie charts, bar charts, everything you need in a simple way just by clicking the slash option on your keyboard. If you liked this video and it helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.